Ford Raptor BAKFlip MX4. It's a hard folding aluminum cover, matte black finish. It goes excellent with the color on this truck. When you lower the tailgate, you can open the cover. So this has a power tailgate lock. Unlock the tailgate, and then from either side you just fold the panel and you get incremental portion of your bed open. You can flip it up all the way to the back window and then get full bed access. You can prop this cover up with the struts here on the side and drive highway speed safe, and then you can buckle it with the buckles here to have it down, and then you do not have to shut the tailgate first. It has an integrated tailgate seal, so you can close the cover, shut the tailgate, and it's all secure. It's backed by a 3-year warranty, and this is installed on a 2018 Ford Raptor.